Good morning, students. Today we will continue our chapter from page number 5. On this page, we will discuss about the PAP 6.3. Now, student, fill in the table with facts from the stories of Sophie and Betty. Yesterday, we were discuss about the Sophie and Betty. Everybody know it? Now, in this PAP, Sophie, the sofa. Okay, here we are. Raw materials used wood, and the raw materials came from forest. Factory, the raw materials was taken to wood factory, and now machine used at the factory, wood cutting machines. Got it, everyone? Okay, now Betty, the bed sheet. Raw materials used cotton, and the raw materials came from field factory. The raw materials was taken to textile mill. Machine used at the factory, looms. Okay, now then we move on the questions. Were sofa and Betty manufactured by a small scale or large scale industry? Why? Now what is the question here? Were sofa and Betty manufactured by a small scale or large scale industry? Why? So student, answer here, they were manufactured by large scale industry. Many sofas and bed sheets are manufactured with the help of complex machines and sold at the same time. Hope you all understand. Now, manufacturing is the process that involves turning raw materials into finished goods that reach us through stores and market. So student, manufacture, it means creation, नई चीज़ें बनाना. It is a manufactured creation. Okay, manufacturing is the same word of manufactured, manufactured and manufacturing. विनिर्माण यानी fabrication. So manufacturing is the process that involves turning raw materials into finished good that reach us through stores and market. Okay, now move on next page. Pep is also here. It is a 6 page. Open everyone. Now the table has the features of a small scale and large scale industry. Mark L for the ones that describe a large scale industry and S for the ones that describe a small scale industry, because L symbol of large scale and S symbol of small scale industry. Now first, has large machines that are very expensive, L. Then second, may use more people to manufacture product, L. Third, examples making personalized gift, cooking and delivery of homemade food, tuition for school students, S. Any small scale. People are employed to operate the machine, L. Large scale. Then examples is still automobile and fertilizers industries, L. Large scale. Not very expensive to set up, S. Small scale. Produces a large number of goods in a short period of time, it is L. Then uses smaller machines or sometimes no machines to manufacture products at small scale. Clear to all? This is PAP 6.4. L. Mention S also here. Okay. Then we have learned about small scale and large scale industries. There are very small scale industries too. These are called cottage or village industries. We have, now student, we are on page number 6. Small scale and large scale industries are also here. Discuss about it. We have learned about small scale and large scale industries. There are very small scale industries too. These are called the cottage or village industries. Cottage mean cot or shanty. It means hut. That's why we call it cottage industry, because it belongs to the village industries and cottage industries also. That's why. Cottage industries are run at home by members of a family. They mostly use their own tools for manufacturing the product. They are not expensive to set up. Cottage industry belongs to the family members of family. So it is not very expensive because they use their own tools for manufacturing the product. They do not require a large space or complex machines. Pottery, jewelry and matchbox are some products that come from cottage industry. Okay students, page number 7. Now basics is here. Read the case study to compare cottage and large scale industry. Now page 6.5 is here. If you were to start a cottage industry with the help of your family members, what would you like to make? Describe it briefly. Now student, I hope you all understand what is a cottage industry, and this perhaps solve yourself, write the answer yourself. Okay, because if you were to start a cottage industry with the help of your family members, so discuss with your mom and your father and your companion also and write the answer yourself is here. 6.5. Okay students? Okay, now move on, next page. Define a cottage industry, give 2 examples. Define a cottage industry and give examples. Okay, so cottage industry. Cottage industry is run at home by members of a family. It is not expensive to set up and does not require a large space or complex machines. Examples: bakery, pottery, jewelry making. Okay, this is the definition of cottage industry. Now then, here are examples of industries in different parts of India. Identify the type of industry: large scale, small scale or cottage scale industry. Garment factory in Tamil Nadu. Yearly production about 2000 shirt. Number of employees 20. Money needed to maintain and run the factory rupees 3 lakh. Type of industry. Which is industry is there? Small scale industry. Okay, now then you will write it here, a small scale industry where is here. Okay, now move. Okay, now here carpet weaving unit in Kashmir. Yearly production 7 to 8 carpet. Seasonal occupation. Number of employee 5 to 6 member of a family. Money needed to maintain and run the unit rupees 25,000. Type of industry. Which industry will mention here? Cottage industry. Because in this industry, number of employee are 5 to 6 members of a family. And where we read it, cottage industry, family members working. Okay, cement factory in Assam. Yearly production about 1 million ton means 1000 kg. Number of employee 270. Money needed to maintain and run the unit rupees 250 crore. Type of industry large scale industry. So student, on page number 8, small scale industry, here cottage industry, and in last large scale industry. Okay students, thank you so much beta for listening.